Hey guys, my name is Michael Caruso from AC Plumbing, Heating, Mechanical. We're a family-owned and operated company out of Cleveland, Ohio. Founded by my father, we've been in business for about 40 years. We specialize in commercial and residential HVAC, hydronic heating, and plumbing. So we're headed to an older neighborhood where boiler heat's pretty common. We're gonna be sizing up a replacement. So let's hop in the truck and take a look. A lot of these homes were built about 100 years ago. So those older homes, they have boiler heating systems. There are a lot of opportunities for residential service, residential replacements in these older neighborhoods, these century homes. Here we are in a home that was built in 1913 in the mechanical room. We're looking at a hot water boiler here. This boiler system is probably about 30 years old, maybe a little older. There are much more efficient ways that we could heat this home. Rheem offers a lot of different options when it comes to boiler heat. They have a hot water boiler system, and they also offer a Combi boiler system. A Combi boiler would fit very well in this application because not only do we have a boiler, we also have a domestic water heater. The Combi boiler allows us to utilize both the boiler for the heating system, and that heat also can be applied to heat your domestic water. Those units are much more efficient than what you have here. What you have here is about an 80% efficient unit. A lot of that waste gas is being emitted out into the atmosphere. A Combi boiler is about 95% efficient. So that helps with energy savings. Ultimately, your utility bills are gonna be lower. You're going to pay less per month, and over time, a Combi unit is gonna pay for itself. All right, guys, we're back in the truck. We're gonna drop an estimate for this boiler replacement. You know, I think one of the most important aspects of this is making sure the client understands what they have currently and what we're proposing to install. Continuing education is pretty important in this industry, and we're fortunate that Rheem offers that continuing education where we can stay on top of that technology. We wanna make sure that we're installing the right unit for the home and for the client. So hopefully we see you at phase 2 for the install. Thanks for joining me today. Mike from AC Plumbing signing out.